Are you looking to find the perfect fit for your clothing? Look no further. We've got you covered with our step-by-step measurement guide. Step 1. Bust measurement. Wrap the measurement tape around the fullest part of your bust. Make sure the tape is snug but not too tight to take note of the measurement in inches or centimeters. Back shoulders. From left to right, measure across the back of your shoulder. Step 4. Waist measurement. Locate your natural waistline, which is usually the narrowest part of your torso. Wrap the tape around your waist. Keep it level with the ground and measure. Hip measurement. Stand with your feet together. Wrap the tape around the widest part of your hips and buttocks. Record the measurement. Dress length. Measure from the top of your shoulders to your desired dress length. Take down the measurement. Congratulations, you have successfully measured yourself. Now you can confidently choose the right size and ensure a tailored fit that complements your body.